Alright, we're on top of at the top rather, on the tower of the Church of St. Nicholas. Church is over here. It's this big thing. There's a dome to it. We're on it, however, I was climbing.
Matt was a little scared.
He's always a little scared. He likes to grasp for life onto the poles. Doesn't fall. Alright, so we get to see all of Rome, or not Rome, Prague. Let's see, over there, that big onion dome thing is the Church of Our Lady Victorious. And up there, I don't know if you can see them, there are two spikes sticking out of the tree. And that is the Church of St. Lawrence. Back over here, there are two more spikes way in the distance. That is the Abbey Church and the Assumption of the Virgin. And over there, somewhere, is the Loretta Chimes.
Probably those two things right there, like it says.
No, I'm on number 1, buddy.
Number 1 over there.
Number 1. No, Matt. 2. 1. Let's see, over here, number 5 is that way church in the background. It is Church of Saints Peter and Paul. And over there in the distance, somewhere, is the Church of Saint Ludmila. I guess it's all churches. They only show the churches on here, and I'm not going to bother reading the rest of them, unless it's close by. There's the bridge over there, and the river. City. The church we're connected to, St. Nicholas. This is part of that church, is the tower. Get our way around.